Eto mga besh, tanong ng bayan. Required ba talaga na mag-update sa partner mo? Well, depende. Kung nasa getting to know stage pa lang kayo, well, hindi. Pero kung kayo na, well, besh, basic courtesy yan. Although hindi mo kailangan mag-send ng I'm breathing every 5 minutes. Pero at least man lang, merong hey, pauwi na ako, or may meeting ako, or busy lang ako saglit. Hindi effort yun. Consideration yun. Kasi, let's be real ang update, hindi naman tungkol sa control It's about respect. Hindi mo ginagawa kasi pinipilit ka. Ginagawa mo kasi ayaw mo mag-alala yung taong mahal mo. Pero on the other side, hindi rin naman tama na 24/7 kang i-report na parang nasa GPS tracking device, di ba? Yung lagi kang tinatanong, nasan ka? Sino kasama mo? Ba't may background noise? Well, teka lang, call center ba to or relationship? Di ba? Relationship is about balance. Mag-update ka kasi gusto mo. Hindi kasi takot ka. At magtiwala ka kasi mahal mo, hindi kasi gusto mong kontrolin. So, tanong, required ba mag-update? Hindi naman required, pero it's a responsibility kasi pumasok ka sa isang relasyon. Because when you choose someone, you also choose to make them feel secured, not ignored. Kasi minsan, hindi naman kakulangan ng oras ang nakakasira, kundi kakulangan ng communication. Well, actually, it's only update lang naman, hindi audit. So remember this, if you truly love your partner, update not because you have to, but because you want to keep them in your world and you want to keep them inform kung nasan ka. Inform them that you're safe, na you are okay, para hindi naman mag-worry yung partner mo or mag-overthink, o diba? So, it's a communication. So, required? No. But it's responsibility as a partner. Tandaan ninyo yan.